Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, it's 31 March. Today is Wednesday and we're going to study unit number 1, page number 2 and 3 of SST. So in today's lecture, we will study the details of this classification. So first of all, there is rocky planets. So Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are made up of rocks and metals. That is why they are called rocky planets, and you want to highlight or underline this line. Mercury is closest to the sun, so Mercury is the planet that is the closest to sun, okay? And it takes 88 Earth days to complete one round around the sun. मीन्स कि वीनस को मरकरी को सॉरी 88 डेज चाहिए हम अर्थ के 88 डेज एक पूरा राउंड अराउंड द सन करने के लिए. Venus is the hottest planet of the solar system. So here is Venus and it is the most hottest planet among all of the solar planets. So you want to underline this as well. And it completes one round around the sun in 225 Earth days. Okay, you want to underline that as well, and you want to underline the 88 figure as well. The Earth is the third planet from the sun and the only planet yet to have inhabitants. So here is Earth and it is the third planet of the solar system and it is the only planet जहाँ पर जो है वो लोग रहते हैं. Okay, so it circles the sun once every 365.25 days यानी कि 1 year. So 1 year में अर्थ जो है वो सन के अराउंड अपना सर्कल कंप्लीट करती है. मास इज द हाफ ऑफ द साइज ऑफ द अर्थ. सो हियर इज मास. Its size is half of the Earth's size, okay? It takes 687 days to complete its orbit, okay? That was all about the rocky planets. Now let's talk about the gas giants. Jupiter, Saturn, they are gas giants because they are composed of hydrogen and helium. Why they are called so? Because they have these two gases and are larger than rocky planets, okay? Jupiter is the biggest of all planets. You want to underline that as well. It orbits the sun in 4,333 days, that is 12 years, okay? So you want to underline that as well. Saturn is the second largest planet and has clear rings around it. As you can see that here is a ring around the Saturn, okay? You want to underline that as well. So what is this ring? We will discuss later in a while. It travels 29.45 Earth years to complete one round. You want to highlight the figure. Then ice giants, Uranus, Neptune are composed of ice, rocks and oceans. That is why they are called ice giants. Uranus has a faint ring. So where is Uranus? Here is Uranus, as you can see. So it has got like a faint ring around it, okay, as you can see in the picture as well. And it orbits the sun in 84 Earth years, okay. Neptune is the last planet of the solar system. So you want to underline this line. It completes one round around the sun in 165 Earth years, okay. That was all about the classification. Now let's have a look at this definition that are given in page number 3. First of all, there is dwarf planets, okay. Year of 2006, Pluto was considered to be the 9th planet of the solar system. Because of its smallest size and other inadequate qualities, scientists eliminated it from the solar system and categorized it as a dwarf planet. So we all know that Pluto was part of the solar system, you know, but it got eliminated क्योंकि इसमें ऐसी qualities नहीं थी और इसका size बहुत छोटा था. तो ऐसे planets को हम dwarf planets कहते हैं, okay? तो dwarf का actually में meaning ये होता है कि size में छोटी जो चीज़ होती है. Then we have asteroids. This is going to be very interesting, okay? Because asteroids are small objects made up of rock, clay or metal, and they are usually found in orbits of Mars and Jupiter. As I'm showing you in the picture as well. So these are the big like rocks type, made up of rocks and metals, and they are like big in size, and they are circling around in the in between the planets, and they are in the space there. And Here you can see that Mars and Jupiter's, this is the whole ring of asteroids. Here you can see in the picture. We say that this whole ring of asteroids is called asteroid belt. Okay, comets are icy rocks made up of frozen gases and dust. They exist beyond Neptune. So if you have a look at the picture, here you can see that these are the comets, this and this, and they are beyond Neptune. Here in the picture as well you can see that this is the comet, okay, and this has got a tail and it glows at as it come towards the sun, ठीक है, ये चमकता है. Then we have meteorites. So meteorites are usually formed when asteroids collide and they break into pieces, and these pieces of rocks are called meteorites. So कैसे बनेंगे meteorites जब asteroids जो कि space में move around कर रहे हैं, when they will collide, as you can see in the picture as well, they are breaking down into the pieces. Those pieces will be called meteorites. When satellites are the objects that move around and a large body in space are called satellites. Satellites जो हैं वो planets के around move करते हैं. Satellite can be natural satellites भी हो सकती हैं, man-made भी हो सकती हैं. Natural satellite Earth की कौन सी? As we all know that it's moon. Okay, moon is circling around the Earth. Planets and moons are natural satellites, and all planets of the solar system except Mercury and Venus have moons. So you want to underline that as well. International Space and Station, Sputnik 1 are man-made satellites. So this was all about today's lecture. Hope you have understood. Thank you very much. Jazakallah.